So kids, welcome back to our English class. So in our previous class, we learned a lesson called the little fir tree. So what did you learn in this lesson? You learned that there is a tree which has needle-like leaves. This is a tree. This is a fir tree. What kind of leaves it has? It has needle-like leaves. So it was not happy with its leaves because no birds used to make any nest on this tree. So one day, a magician called Shetty was caught in a rain. He was caught in a rain and he was standing in the shelter of this tree. So Shetty gets very happy with this tree and he grants 4 wishes. So this tree says that it wants to have what kind of leaves? Green leaves like other trees. Then its wish gets granted, and then what happens? A goat comes and starts eating all of its leaves, and then what happens? The tree gets upset and it wishes to have gold leaves. That wish also gets granted, and then a man comes and stole its leaves. Then again this tree wishes for what kind of leaves? Glass leaves. What happens then? At night wind blows and then what happens? Glass leaves falls down and the tree stands with no leaves. So again at last it wishes for what? It wishes for its normal needle-like leaves. Okay, so that wish also gets granted. Then this tree gets happy. So it was a very short story, but it was very informative one. So now we are going to solve the exercise for this. So here reading is 1. Tick, write the correct answer. Tick, write the correct answer. So tell me, the pretty little fir tree was happy with gold leaves. But what happened? The pretty little fir tree was happy. जो fir tree है वो gold leaves से happy था. But क्या हुआ आगे? A goat came along and ate them. क्या गोट ने वो गोल्ड लीव्स खाए? नो. ऑल द लीव्स गॉट वेट इन रेन. क्या गोल्ड लीव्स बारिश में भीग गए? नो. अ मैन केम एंड स्टोल देम. यस, अ मैन केम एंड स्टोल दीज गोल्ड लीव्स. द फर ट्री वॉज सैड बिकॉज इट हैड येलो लीव्स? नो. बिकॉज इट हैड नीडल लाइक लीव्स? यस, दिस ट्री वॉज सैड बिकॉज इट हैड नीडल लाइक लीव्स. उसके कांटे जैसे पत्ते थे. दैट्स वाई इट वॉज सैड. द फर ट्री वॉज हैप्पी विद द with the gold leaves because the goats came and ate them. The goats ने gold leaves खाए? No. A man stole them? Yes, a man stole them. Right? That's why the fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves. Next is, by changing the circled words to its opposite, rewrite the sentences one has been done for you. So there are some words which have been circled. So we need to rewrite the sentence. हमें sentence को फिर से लिखना है by changing the words with the circled words. For example, I carry a little bag to school every day. Here, I carry a light bag to school every day. So here the word light is circled. So we need to change it with its opposite word, which is I carry a heavy bag to school every day. So opposite of light is heavy. Then Reena won the race. What is the opposite of won? Won means जीत गई. So opposite of won is lost. It is lost. Reena lost the race. Reena lost the race. Reena race हार गई. I love eating vegetables. I love eating vegetables. मुझे वेजिटेबल खाना बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. So love, प्यार. Opposite is hate, नफरत. I hate eating vegetables. मुझे वेजिटेबल खाने में I hate vegetables. मैं वेजिटेबल से नफरत करती हूँ. This glass of milk is full. This glass of milk is full. And the opposite of full is empty. 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 Here P is silent. Full opposite empty. The old man is wise. The old man is wise. Wise means होशियार. The old man is foolish. Opposite of wise is foolish. Now, give the opposite of the word below by adding un or im. Un or im. So there are some words we need to add. बहुत सारे वर्ड्स ऐसे रहते हैं जिनके ऑपोजिट उनमें अन या इम लगाने से हो जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हैप्पी, ऑपोजिट ऑफ हैप्पी इज अनहैप्पी. पोलाइट, impolite, add im. Happy, unhappy, add un. Seen, un plus seen, unseen. Proper, improper. Happy means खुशी, खुश होना. अनहैप्पी मीन्स ना खुश होना. पोलाइट मीन्स पोलाइटली बोलना, मीन्स बिना कोई शोर किए अच्छे से ढंग से पेश आना. पोलाइट, इम्पोलाइट. पोलाइट्स ऑपोजिट. Seen, unseen. Proper, improper. Lucky, unlucky. Possible, impossible. Important, unimportant. Perfect, imperfect. Healthy, unhealthy. Safe, unsafe. Patient, impatient. Pure, impure. So now these are the opposite words. So you can see it and you can write it. Okay, done. Next is, there are some words in blue color in this passage. There are some words with blue color in this passage. We need to write its opposite here. So what are these words? Rita loved her dog Sheru. Every day Sheru would go out of the house and come back himself. But one day he did not come home. Rita looked everywhere for him. Tears rolled down her cheeks. Sheru was lost. He was nowhere to be found. Rita was crying when she reached home. She got into her bed. All of a sudden, something jumped on her. Can you guess who it was? Rita was happy. So in this passage, these blue colors words are there. So what we need to do, give the opposites of words in blue. So what are these words? Loved, hated, come, go, go out, come in, everywhere, nowhere, down, up, nowhere, everywhere, crying, laughing, happy, sad. So we need to write those words here. Hated, come in, go, nowhere, up, and lost. There is a lost also. Lost ka found. Okay, found, everywhere, laughing, sad. Okay, so these are the opposites of these. Now, punctuation. Rewrite the passage below using capital letters where necessary. So capital letter जहाँ जहाँ लिखना है वहाँ में उसे replace करके we need to rewrite the sentence. One day, Saturday afternoon, Amarjit and his little sister Rani went for a picnic to India Gate. There they saw ducks, water and their friend Raj. So first letter of any sentence is capital. First letter of any sentence is capital. Capitalize O. Then Saturday, no capital letter. Here also no capital letter. Amarjit. Amarjit is a name of a person. It is a proper noun. So we will capitalize this letter. Capitalize A. And his little sister Rani. Rani is also proper noun. So capitalize R. See here. They went for a picnic to India Gate. India Gate. ये भी क्या है? प्रॉपर नाउन. इंडिया गेट इज ऑल्सो a proper noun. India gate, this is a proper noun. So we will write ing capital, then full stop, and then again new sentence. New sentence का first letter will be capitalized. Then write T capital. There they saw dog, water, and their friend Raj. Raj is a name of a person. So it is a proper name, so we will capitalize this also. So look at the sentence. Pause this video and write it. One Saturday afternoon, Amarjit, O capital, A capital, and his little sister Rani, R capital, went for a picnic to India Gate, ing capital. Full stop, new sentence, there, T capital. They saw ducks, water, and their friend Raj. Raj, R capital. Now, oh dear, said the fir tree, I like my old needle-like leaves best for goats. Don't eat them, and no man can steal them. So here what we need to do? Of course, we need to capitalize and we need to add quotation mark also. Quotation mark means dialogue box का ऐसे रहता है. Okay? बीच में का जो रहता है dialogue box, बीच में रहता है dialogue words. So oh dear में O will be capitalized, dear, then exclamation mark. Then these words should be in the dialogue box because said the fir tree. Okay, then full stop before this dialogue box. Said the fir tree said, oh dear, I like my old needle-like leaves best, then comma, for goats don't eat them and no man can steal them. I like my old needle-like leaves best, comma, for goats don't eat them and no man can steal them. This you should write between quotation mark, dialogue box, and this point should be before this dialogue box. ठीक है, and a comma after best. ठीक है. So this was all about our today's exercise. In our next class, we will solve the further exercise. So what you need to do? You need to write these opposite words and you need to write it down in your notebook also. ठीक है, this one. So see you in the next class. Till then, take care.